Yes, class 4. I have already made you do informal letter writing. This is the format of formal letter writing. ये वाला फॉर्मेट है फॉर्मल लेटर राइटिंग. तो सबसे पहले अपना हेडिंग लिख लो फॉर्मल लेटर. उसके बाद ये डेफिनेशन है फॉर्मल लेटर राइटिंग का. अ लेटर रिटन फॉर अ फॉर्मल पर्पज इज कॉल्ड अ फॉर्मल लेटर. इट एड्रेसेस अ सीरियस इशू. ओके, इसको भी लिख लो. उसके बाद सब हेडिंग लिखो टाइप्स ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर. उसके बाद टाइप ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर कौन कौन है लिखते जाना. स्टार्ट राइटिंग इन योर कॉपी. इंग्लिश ग्रामर कॉपी में लिखते जाओ जो भी दिख रहा है स्क्रीन में फास्ट. कीप ऑन राइटिंग. आई होप डेफिनेशन लिख लिया आप लोगों ने. ये वाला लेटर फॉर अ फॉर्मल पर्पज इज कॉल्ड अ फॉर्मल लेटर. इट एड्रेसेस अ सीरियस इशू. दिस इज द definition of formal letter writing. ये जो येलो हाईलाइट के अंदर है ये मेन हेडिंग है. उसके बाद सब हेडिंग लिखना फॉर्मल लेटर राइटिंग. और उसके बाद है ये डेफिनेशन. मतलब जैसे मैंने लिखा वैसे ही लिखते जाओ, कॉपी करते जाओ अपने कॉपी में. ये सब अगर हो जाए तो राइट द सब हेडिंग टाइप्स ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर. अब टाइप्स ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर कौन कौन है. बहुत तरह का लेटर होते हैं यानी ऑफिशियल लेटर. सो नंबर 1 लेटर टू द एडिटर. देन लेटर टू द गवर्नमेंट. देन letter to the police, then letter to the principal, then order letter, complaint letter, inquiry letter, business letter, application letter for job, a letter to the bank manager, invitation letter, resignation letter, leave application, leave application for marriage, leave application for maternity. These are the main types of formal letter. Keep on writing in your copy fast. Keep on writing. लिखते जाओ कॉपी में. सब हेडिंग लिखो टाइप्स ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर. उसके बाद कितना टाइप ऑफ लेटर दिया 1 to 15 कॉपी कर लो अपने कॉपी में. I hope all of you are writing. Types of formal letter. Write fast. I have to move ahead. हमको आगे जाना है. पेज बदलना है मुझे. और भी है नीचे. फॉर्मेट है मेन. नोट्स. उसके बाद नोट्स के बाद फॉर्मेट है. Types of formal letter are letter to the editor, letter to the government, letter to the police, letter to the principal, order letter, complaint letter, enquiry letter, business letter, application letter for job, letter to the bank manager, leave application for marriage, leave application for maternity, invitation letter, resignation letter, leave application for marriage, and leave application for maternity. These are the different types of letter writing. I hope if all of you are writing, I'm changing the page. Now come to the formal, write the subheading, formal letter notes. Write the subheading, formal letter notes. The following points need to be taken into consideration while writing a formal letter. A formal letter strictly follows the prescribed format for formal letter writing. The use of colloquial words, abbreviation, and slang language should be restricted while formal letter writing. Should be restricted meaning should not be used. Colloquial words, abbreviation, slang language mean जैसे we write now okay, O and K. This type of language will not do. You have to write okay completely, okay, AY. Suppose WhatsApp, how dude. These are the slang languages will not be applicable in formal letter. इसमें proper English में लिखा जाता है. Okay. Then a formal letter must be precise and to the point. Formal letter हमेशा छोटा रहता है और एकदम point पे. अनवांटेड बातें नहीं लिखी जाती है फॉर्मल लेटर में. The subject line is very important in a formal letter. इनफॉर्मल में हम लोग को देखा है कि सब्जेक्ट नहीं दिया जाता था, पर फॉर्मल लेटर में सब्जेक्ट दिया जाता है. व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट? सब्जेक्ट में हम लोग को लिखना पड़ता है ये लेटर किस बारे में है, किस लिए है. What type of letter is this? Regarding what the letter is, we write in subject line. Okay. Write down formal letter notes. If you are done, then I'm going to the main part. Format of formal letter. Now I am changing the page. This is the format of a formal letter. Write the subheading, the format letter, the formal letter format. Write the subheading. सबहेडिंग लिखो, द फॉर्मल लेटर फॉर्मेट, और ये लिखने के बाद राइट डाउन एवरीथिंग रिटन हियर. First, it will be sender's address. Here, the address and contact details of the sender are written here. Include email and phone number if required or if mentioned in the question. Then secondly, date. The date is written below the sender's address and after leaving one space or line. Third will be receiver's address. The address of the recipient of the mail, that is the officer, principal, or editor, is written here. Then number 4, the subject of the letter. The main purpose of the letter forms the subject. Now number 5, salutations. Salutation like sir, respected sir or madam. Then number 6 is body. The matter of the letter is written here. It is divided into 3 paragraphs as follows. In paragraph 1, it is introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter in brief is written here. In paragraph 2, give detail of the matter. In paragraph 3, conclude by mentioning what you expect. For example, a salutation, your problem, to highlight as an issue in the newspaper, etc. 7, complimentary closing. Dear sir, or yours sincerely, like this. And at the last, sender's name, signature, and designation, if any. Write down, this is the format, formal letter format. This was formal letter notes. Types of formal letter was here. This is formal letter notes. Then this is the format of formal letter. First you have to write the sender's address, then date, then the receiver's address, then the subject of the letter, then salutation, then body, which is divided into 3 paragraphs, then complimentary closing, and then sender's name, signature, and designation, if any. Please write fast. The time is less. Moreover, if anyone could not finish this letter, I will send you in your WhatsApp. Check it from here. Check it from here and then do it and complete it. Whoever has completed this letter, they may make the PDF of it and send to my personal WhatsApp for checking. I hope all of you have written down. Now I am ending my class here. If anyone could not finish it, I will be sending in your WhatsApp or check help desk. I am ending my class here.